In this video, I will show you how to set up Verizon Business account. For that, simply open Chrome. In the search bar, search for Verizon Business Registration. From here, click on this Verizon Business Login. Click on Register. After that, click on My Business for Wireless or any other that is suitable for you. After that, click on Register. From here, you will have to enter your user ID or your account number. Then you will have to provide your business details, business name, address, tax ID or a social security number if it's a sole proprietorship. And then you have to select a specific service like wireless, FiOS, internet or voice plans. Then verify your identity. Then you can simply set up a password and then you can log in. And that is how you can set up your Verizon business account. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.